Your Genie garage door keypad not working? Reprogramming is often the solution, especially after battery replacement or when you've forgotten your PIN. Step 1. Reset your keypad. The method depends on your keypad type. For IntelliCode keypads, press Program, then 6, then the up-down arrow. For keypads with sliding covers, hold the Program and up-down buttons for 5 seconds until the light flashes. GWKP models require a specific sequence with the number and 8 keys. Step 2. Put your garage door opener into programming mode. Locate the Learn or Program Set button on the opener unit inside your garage and press it until the indicator light starts blinking. Step 3. Program the keypad. Enter the default PIN, usually 3257 on your keypad. Then press the up-down arrow key 3 to 4 times until the garage door activates. Step 4. Change to a secure PIN. This is crucial for security. Enter the current PIN, press Program, enter your new PIN of 3 to 8 digits, then press Program again. Finally, test your new PIN by entering it and pressing the up-down arrow key. Your garage door should open or close, confirming successful reprogramming. When reprogramming doesn't solve your keypad issues, systematic troubleshooting can identify and fix the problem. Here are the most effective troubleshooting steps. The most common cause of keypad failure is dead or weak batteries. Keypad batteries typically last between 2 to 5 years, but should be replaced every 1 to 2 years for optimal performance. Clean the keypad regularly to ensure proper button connections. Dirt, debris, and weather can interfere with the keypad's operation. Use a soft cloth to clean the buttons and housing. Signal interference can prevent proper communication between the keypad and opener. Check for objects blocking the signal path and ensure the keypad is within proper range of the garage door opener. If problems persist, try resetting the garage door opener itself. Simply unplug the opener from power for 1 full minute, then plug it back in. This can resolve communication issues between the keypad and opener. Newer Genie keypads use Series 2 technology, while older openers may use Series 1. These are incompatible. If you have a new keypad with an older opener, check if your keypad can be switched to Series 1 mode. For long-term reliability, protect your keypad from harsh weather conditions and replace batteries proactively. Always consult your specific model's manual for detailed troubleshooting instructions and maintenance guidelines. Following these troubleshooting steps systematically will resolve most keypad issues. Remember that proper maintenance prevents many problems before they occur.